Most boys don't start smoking because they like it. They start because they want to belong. The first cigarette isn't about addiction. It's about acceptance. Most boys try smoking for the first time between 14 and 21, not because they're bad, not because they're weak, but because this is the age of identity confusion. They're trying to prove something to friends, to society, sometimes to themselves. The biggest reason isn't stress, it's peer pressure. One friend says, "Try it once. Everyone is watching." No one wants to look scared, so they say yes, even if they don't want to. That one moment becomes a habit. Movies, social media, and street culture made smoking look powerful, quiet, mysterious, rebel. But the truth? Most boys don't smoke to look cool. They smoke to hide insecurity. Some boys smoke because life feels heavy. Pressure, failure, family expectations, money stress. Smoking feels like a pause button. Not a solution, just a break. Smoking doesn't make you strong. Quitting does. Real strength is saying no, even when everyone says yes. Most boys don't need cigarettes. They need confidence, direction, and support.